Grassroots Crisis Intervention Center serves as a 24-hour first line of defense resource for our neighbors in crisis. Local nonprofits like Grassroots are counting on community members like you to pitch in on Giving Tuesday and help support our neighbors who need it the most.
We provide services for the entire community, for anyone that is in need of any type of crisis intervention services. We have a family, women and children, and male shelter for about 60 individuals. We serve 33 families and 19 individuals, males, and also individuals, single females, 24/7, 365 days of the year. We also provide crisis intervention for anyone in the county that is in any type of need. We are the point of care, the entry point for homeless services for the county. So anyone that could be facing eviction or it could have trouble paying the rent, or anyone that find themselves homeless at the time can call Grassroots and they will be served and find resources for them. We have seen an increase in 50% of our hotline calls. We see significant need in individuals, children, adolescents, adults. Individuals find mental health has been in rise drastically, and we find that people are calling because of feelings isolation, depression, suicidality has definitely increased. So we have had to get resources to put more counselors in the lines to make sure that we are responding appropriately. This pandemic, especially in this time, has really hit home for many individuals that are vulnerable and suffering. Grassroots serve those individuals. The homeless shelter, for example, is a great example of what has happened. Normally, we have an immense amount of festivities for our residents in the shelter. This year, due to the pandemic, all of that has changed. People are isolated in their room, and there's nothing we can do about that. We have to protect the individuals in our shelter. We have to protect our staff. We have to protect clients that come to the substance abuse program. Therefore, this year, what we're asking for individuals is to donate gift cards. So it all has changed how we provide support to our residents, and what normally we could provide support with many other ways, this year more than ever, the financial support is needed. We had to increase our staff to be able to respond to the pandemic. We have to be able to build different areas in the building in order to have individualized room. And also, last but definitely not least, protective equipment. All of our staff wears N95s, has a shield. That is an immense cost to our budget that was previously not planned, because none of us planned for these. So more than ever, Grassroots in needs of donations to support the work that we do, to support the vulnerable population of Howard County.
Providing shelter, support for substance misuse, and the ability to deploy a mobile crisis team are just a few of the vital services Grassroots provides in Howard County. In 2019, their mobile crisis team responded to 845 crisis calls, helping our families stay safe and secure through their most challenging life circumstances. The work of Grassroots enables our residents to not only survive, but eventually thrive in our community. Your participation in Giving Tuesday and investment in Grassroots will help transform lives.